Stone-Hart syndrome is global ischemic contracture of the heart resulting in a firm myocardium. It was described in the early years of open heart surgery with cardiopulmonary bypass. Global ischemic contracture of the heart resulting in a firm myocardium and loss of intracavitary volume is termed Stone-Hart syndrome. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. Physiologists have long described cardiac arrest in systole with calcium, which is also considered as the danger of intravenous calcium in the presence of digoxin toxicity. Stone-Hart syndrome was described as a complication of CPB in the early years of cardiac surgery as an inability for successful resuscitation. This complication of cardiopulmonary bypass has been largely prevented in later years with good cardioplegia. In experimental animals, beta blockade has been shown to delay myocardial ischemic contracture. Moderate hypothermia was also shown to be effective in preventing ischemic contracture in the same study. A cardiac magnetic resonance imaging based study in porcine model has shown that even mild hypothermia is useful in prevention of the dreaded Stone-Hart syndrome. In this context, hypothermia can be classified into mild 32 to 34 degrees centigrade, moderate 28 to 32 degrees centigrade, deep 28 to 15 degrees centigrade, and profound less than 15 degrees centigrade. Successful resuscitation after ice water drowning gives a good clinical example of hypothermia protecting against Stone-Hart. A 2.5-year-old girl had good neurological recovery even after 66 minutes of submersion in cold water with core temperature dropping to 19 degrees centigrade. In this remarkable event, CPR was maintained for 2 hours before extracorporeal rewarming. Phosphorus 31 based nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy imaging has documented that ischemic contracture coincides with the stopping of anaerobic glycolysis in a murine model. It is known that ischemic contracture is the result of formation of Riger bond when ATP levels are low in the myofibrils. Stoppage of glycolysis naturally leads to depletion of ATP levels and ischemic contracture, causing the Stone-Hart syndrome. Here are a few important references on Stone-Hart syndrome. Here are a few more references. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.